Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Heyworth Level crossing. This will be the 1658 LNER service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. There's a lot of Aberdeen movements today. I thought I finna get an Aberdeen train. I don't know where he is. Can't really see. Either side's blocked. That side's got vegetation on, that side's got signal box, whatever it is, on. I hear it. Here we are. Here's a freight train. 66 144. Behind barrier. Yeah. Wow. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next closure. Bye.